Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about Triple P policy and Triple P models in India. Private partnership policy. A partnership between the public and private sector with clear agreement on shared objectives for the delivery of public infrastructure and or public services is known as Triple P model. So in the construction industry or the infrastructure development, nowadays government is using these types of policy where we have some private investors who invest in public projects such as your infrastructural development. Public private partnership means an agreement between a government owned entire or one side and a private sector entity on the other side for the provision of public sectors and the public services through investment being made on or management being undertaken by the private sector entity for a specified period of time where there is well defined allocation of risk between the private sector and the public entity, and the private entity receives performance like payments that conform to specify and predetermined performance standards measurable by the public entity or its representative. So in which the work is carried out by the private companies. Basically the project is owned by a public sector, but some private contractors given that project to complete and they will own that particular project for some time. For such examples are toll plazas. In toll plazas, as we have seen, these are owned by the government only, but for some period of time public sectors are allowed to collect the toll so that they will recover their price for the construction. There is no single Triple P engagement model that can satisfy all conditions concerning the project's location setting and its technical and financial features. The most suitable model should be selected taking into account the country's political, legal and socio-culture, maturity of the country's Triple P market and the financial and technical features of the projects and sectors concerned. By considering all these factors, we select which type of Triple P model we have to go for that particular project. Now we'll see what are the different types of Triple P models in India. First is BOT, that is known as Build, Operate and Transfer. Generally this model is useful for tolls. Then BOOT, that is Build, Operate, Own and then Transfer. Next come joint ventures, in which both public and private sectors work together. Then come management contract. Then we have BOD, that is not for tolls, for other projects. Then BOD annuity. Then we have BOO, that is build, own and operate. So private sectors will give authorities to build, then own that particular project and operate. Then we have DBFOT, that is design, build, finance, operate and then transfer. And then come Triple P, that is public private partnership. And lastly we have BOOST, build, operate, own, share and transfer. These are the main 10 models which are useful in India nowadays. So in this video we have discussed about Triple P model and the different models useful in India. Thank you.